going on, Jupiter Boy, the 100 overall here. I'm back with Nico in a suit. We're back with GTA 4. We're going to start this field mission, and this will be the last video of the night I do. Truck hustle.
That thing? My friend was what? 37 and 8. What about them swings? How's Molly? Kids? You? Okay. Yeah, I gotta go. Ciao. Hey, Ray. So, who's the pal? Oh, you remember Nico? He's a good friend of mine. We talk. Sure we can talk. Just those who don't talk too much. Interesting times, you know what I mean? Did you hear about our friend, the guy with the thing? Yeah, you mean Harry, the guy with the hat? No, the guy with the, for the beat to the book. Yeah, the guy with the, and the, yeah, that guy. Yeah, I heard. So be cool, Ray. Listen, I need to speak to you alone. Yeah, Phil, see, that's the thing. I kind of know what you're going to ask, and I can't. What do you mean you can't? I can't do it, Phil. I got a lot of interest right now. Business is really taking off. I don't want any distractions. So as you can see, I got my own issues here. Look, Nico is good. He'll do what you need. And you say he's a friend of yours. Sure. Good to meet you. Yeah, come here. The Triads have this big chunk of ground they're desperate to get rid of. Talking about it all over town. Wanting to offload it at any price. They think it's cursed or something. Prove it is. Take it from them. It's loaded into a truck going to Franklin Street, West End. Get a hold of it and give me a call. Sure. But Mr. Barron, it's going to cost you. Got it, no problem. Great. Say, nice stereo you got there, Phil. Thanks. Yeah, so Philly, let me hear from your ex-wife. What kind of question is that? Just asking. Get the hell out of here.
Okay, we got still some vehicles from the Triads. Not the only time we. Alright, Ray, see you later. I've got to go towards wait, how far is this motherfucker? Okay, not too far, but not far enough. Also, there's a lot of people wondering when I'm going to be doing FNAF 3. I thought about doing it like sometime during October, but I don't know when. I truly don't know when. I thought about doing it October 1st, but generally I do not know if I'll make it till then. Because like I have to worry about my costume, I have to worry about like like getting my GTA 4 series done, and then starting on that because we all know FNAF 3 is my favorite FNAF game. So seeing that series just having to put on pause for me, it breaks my fucking heart, dog. It does. It breaks my heart. It's just like I want to do it. Like it would be a quick series on my channel, but then it'd be in the way of my GTA 4 series. So I'll probably do FNAF 3 after GTA 4, just so I can get that out of the way. So I don't know. We might. And people have been wondering when I'm gonna do story mode on GTA 5. I really, really don't know. I'm trying to figure out when that's going to be possible. So yeah. Also, hang on, I may have to hurry up with this recording because someone just decided to whine like a little bitch. But I'll make this episode short, kind of like quick and clean, as I say. So now I gotta get out of the car. Probably gotta get a gun out. I'm not sure. I'll probably get it. Okay, can I call something just because I don't feel 100% with this shit. All right, what now? Oh God, I think this is it. Yeah, this is definitely going to be something. So let's see what we got. That, that right there is something I've got to steal the truck. I'm just gonna toss a little grenade and yeet. on me, bitch. Come on. Come on. Oh my god. Got it, bitch. Let's go, let's go. Okay. Holy. Oh, dude.
Okay, come on.
Come on, Nico. Motherfucker.
Never seems easy.
No, it's not, Nico. It's truly. Oh, stay on this.
Oh, shit.
Fuck. Nico! 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 Come on, man. You got this.
Try it. Truck driver.
Oh my god. This is gonna be a hell of a video. Oh, gotcha. Hi, asshole. Pop, bitch. Alright. Now we can get calling Bell. Fuck.
Jill, man, I got that thing you were after. What do you want me to do with it? The wedding dress from my nephew Frank. Take it out to the big house. See that in? You know the one I mean. Let me wait here.
Holy moly. Drive the truck to the old mansion. Oh, do not flip that fucking truck. Nico, man, what are you doing? Flip. Get over. Good. Holy shit, dude. Is this the same mansion that I killed that Don in and got my head all over? Yeah, it's the old mansion where that guy was. Salvatore, I think his name was. Don't ever want to think about that name.
Hey, Frankie, your uncle asked me to give you this wedding dress. You're a lucky guy. I don't know about that. I gotta sit on this stuff until Phil gets over his paranoia and we can ship it. Meantime, I gotta pack it into some cars that go faster than this thing. Sounds like a fun honeymoon. Later on.
Okay. Hold on. Okay. Unless there's a phone call, which I think there is. There's gotta be. Yep.
Your nephew's got his wedding dress. Nicely done. He's a good kid. He deserves something special. Hopefully he'll look after it. Nico, you looking for more work? I'm always looking to earn a bit of extra cash. Great. I know a guy who needs a man like you. Only operates on an outside line though. Go to the payphone on the corner of Vitulo and Hardback. He'll call you.
Okay. So me and Nico will see you guys tomorrow morning. Bye, everyone.